Evans, certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, we had a very cold morning this morning. In fact, the coldest readings were pretty much Rossville to Lafayette and then all the way down towards Pence and then another area down towards Crawfordsville. Now, we dropped to -1 here at the station. It was -1 at the Purdue Agronomy Farm. That's where the official West Lafayette co-op site is to take temperature readings. In Rossville, we've got a station out there by our tower, dropped to 1 degree this morning. And it's going to be another cold night tonight because we're already running 15 to 20 degrees area-wide. And with mainly clear skies, you've got to believe that temperature is going to tank this evening. We've got a little bit of lake effect cloud cover close to Rochester, but this will just kind of skim by, and certainly the lake effect snow staying to our northeast. So 13 here at 7, 9 at 9 o'clock, and 6 by 11. Now, the good news is, once we drop to about 3 tonight, we should level off, and then after around 4 a.m., we may actually rise a few degrees as the wind starts to turn to the southeast. And with that comes a warm front that will come through later tomorrow evening, and that's going to bring a brief wave of light snow. And the best guess right now is that it's speeding up. It's probably going to get in here late tomorrow evening, perhaps until about 1 a.m. tomorrow night, and there could be a little very minor accumulation with that. And then once the warm front goes through and the snow stops, there could even be a little patchy freezing drizzle for the commute early on Friday morning. So there could be some slick spots from either of these two factors. And then finally, after it warms up Friday afternoon and Saturday, a mix of rain, sleet, and a little snow Saturday late in the afternoon and evening will become all snow Saturday night into Sunday, and the wind will start to pick up as well. Now, lows tonight, warmer in the northeast, where, again, a patch or two of lake effect cloud cover could break off here. So 6 per in Rochester. Everyone else anywhere from 1 to about 5 degrees. And again, these will occur before 4 a.m. then rise a couple degrees towards sunrise. Highs tomorrow with increasing thickening clouds, generally 25 to 30, but the wind will be a little blustery at times, so it's still going to feel pretty uncomfortable out there. Again, this is tomorrow afternoon. And by tomorrow evening, you can see this wave of snow pass through, heavier snow over our northern counties. Once we get past 1 a.m., a little patchy freezing drizzle is possible as you get up early on Friday morning. And snowcast, again, for later tomorrow evening through about 1 a.m. tomorrow night. You can see the data indicating maybe an inch of snow in our northern counties, a little coating here in Lafayette, and perhaps a half an inch at Monticello. All right, there's the storm for the weekend, though. Forming here, moving up through the Ohio Valley, starting out as a mix of rain, sleet, and some snow, changing to all snow. There is still question on how much snow is going to fall. I think at least 2, perhaps over 4 inches, and then it gets brutally cold as we get towards the early part of next week. Notice the high by Monday only at 12 degrees, 15 Tuesday, and it's just going to stay cold. No really good sign of any warm weather, at least through Christmas.
My goodness.
Staying cold and snowy.
Okay, well, an active weekend for sure.
Yes, we'll keep an eye on a new update at 6.
Okay, Chad, thank you. Well, can you imagine waking up with a 4 and